My name is Miss Jill, and I work at the Upper Library. Welcome to Kids Can Cook. Today you are going to learn how to make dinosaur vegetable soup. And let me show you what you will need. You will need to have a large can of tomato juice. I also have some diced tomatoes, a potato, some frozen mixed vegetables, some bouillon cubes, and also I was able to find the dinosaur pasta. If you can't find that, probably regular macaroni would work out fine too. These are the ingredients that you will need to make our soup, but I have some special people who are going to come in to show you how to make it. Are here today. Riley, will you go ahead and tell us your name and your favorite food?
My name's Riley. My favorite food's mac and cheese.
Oh, I like that too. Okay, it's your mom's turn.
Hi, I'm Nikki, and my favorite food is chicken enchiladas.
Ooh, that sounds good. Levi, it's your turn.
My name is Levi, and I like steady.
You like spaghetti. Oh, that sounds good too. Okay, but today we are going to make dinosaur vegetable soup. Okay, and I'm going to first have Levi. Levi, can you shake up the tomato juice? Growing up, my mom always said we had to shake it up.
Shake, shake, shake.
Okay, and once he has that all shook up real good, I'm going to have your mom go ahead and open it. I think you did a good job. And we will let your mom go ahead and pour it in the pan. Well, while she is doing that, Riley has a potato, and they said to cube the potato. I scrubbed it real good, so you can go ahead and start cutting it in cubes.
Don't cut it all the way, Mom.
No?
No.
Oh, your mom is doing just right. Levi, while your mom is doing that, can you please put some of the dinosaur pasta into your bowl, or into the other cup? He has one measuring cup, and then he's going to dump it into the other one, because we're supposed to put 1 cup of the dinosaur pasta in. You keep going. Levi, we will want it so it's all the way up to the top.
Can you feel that?
Okay.
How are you doing?
Riley's doing really well. See, it's hard to cut that, isn't it? Yes. That's why I kind of got it started for you. And if it's easier, Riley, just to do like 1 layer of potato at a time, you can do it that way. Oh, yeah, we want lots of dinosaurs in there. Oh, Levi's doing a wonderful job. And patting it down so you can get a whole bunch. Very good.
See, all the time watching just that magic paid off.
Yeah, now you're like a perfect chef.
All right. Oh, I like to watch the chefs cut things up. They cut them up really, really fast, don't they? Oh, Levi, that is perfect. Now, can you dump the big cup into your mom's pan? Dump that in. Very good.
Awesome. Yep, go ahead and cut that one.
Yes. And Levi, could you hand your mom the other can?
Can you shake
This
that one up?
is some chopped tomatoes. So we're going to put those in. Oh my, you are a really good shaker.
Right. Is that one ready?
You realize, Nikki, when he gets home, he's going to shake
Shake
everything
every can.
now. Yes.
We're just going to shake all the vegetables, aren't we?
Don't cut that one up.
Okay, don't cut that one up.
All the
Oh, yes.
Just cut it almost.
And Riley, in
All
just
right.
a little bit, once you have all that done, I'm going to have you dump the potatoes in then, too.
Oh, look at these tomatoes.
And we'll dump those in.
What'd I do?
I don't like tomatoes.
You don't like
Oh.
tomatoes?
But you know
really
what?
good.
You may like it when
does
it's
smell
in the soup.
Yeah, it makes the soup all yummy.
Yes.
What vegetable
Okay.
do you like?
I like carrots
I do too.
and apples.
And apples?
That's a fruit.
Yes, you are right.
Did you get it?
While you're waiting, Levi, do you mind going ahead and opening those little red cubes?
Can you open that?
It has
You should.
like
Finger.
foil around it. And Riley's going to
Like a
go
little
ahead
candy.
and dump in her potatoes. Levi, sometimes I have problems opening those up, but it looks like you're doing it really
I
well.
got it.
That's all right.
Yep, that happens. And in this soup, we also need to put some of the mixed vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yes, do you want to go ahead and open that up? This is really easy. You just have to dump a whole bunch of stuff in. That's the
That's
kind
my
of
kind of
recipe.
soup.
I like these kind of
Dump and go.
recipes.
There you go.
And we're going to dump the whole thing in, Riley. So if you want to just dump it from there. There you go. Riley, do you have a certain vegetable that you like?
French style green beans.
Oh, do you?
Did you get it?
I don't think to get those that often. And I will let you go ahead. Let's go ahead. I put in 5 of those bouillon cubes.
Can
So
you
if
do
you
another
go
one?
ahead and open the rest of those up.
That's what they look like.
Yep,
Uh-huh.
That's what they look like.
But you know what? As they cook, they just kind of like dissolve. And they blend in with
It's
your
like-
tomato soup.
Roast that fall apart.
Yeah, the roast that falls apart.
Oh, yes. Yes.
That's the one I like it.
I do too. Sometimes I will put a roast in the crock pot, and that night I come home and it smells wonderful.
Yep. We like that, don't we?
It's an easy meal too.
Yep.
It cooks all day. Place, I like opening these.
You do. Sometimes they're hard to open.
Yeah, I couldn't do mine.
Yeah, every once in a while I'll have to, try to use them.
They smell like, I forget what it's called.
Does it smell like meat? Because they're supposed to
Smells-
be beef flavored.
It smells like one of the spices that I use to cook.
Oh, very good. And Levi has one more
Get
that
it.
he's working on.
I heard it. Good job.
There it is.
You reach it?
Perfect.
Excellent.
Okay,
Okay.
and so then you just have to stir that up. And I had to cook it for quite a while in order to get all the the dinosaur pasta, to get that all cooked, and to get the vegetables cooked too. But then it looks kind of runny right now. But Riley, do you want to show everybody what it looks like once you have it all cooked? It starts to thicken up then, and it turns out really, really well.
It smells good, huh?
And you know what? You could always add other things. Levi, since you really like carrots, you could put more carrots in. Or if you have some of that roast, you could put your roast in there too.
The beef.
Yes.
What do you guys like to put in your soup? Do you put crackers?
Yeah.
Or Riley was telling me that they had made some homemade bread. Homemade bread would be good with this too. Well, you know what? I want to thank you so much for coming and helping us with Kids Can Cook. And so we'll see everybody later. Bye-bye.
Bye!